Breaking news coming from you from portable land. A new species has just been discovered. The Loanuz, a rare species and unique mammal.
This new species is a nocturnal omnivore that uses his strongest sense, his mustard yellow night vision eyes, to find his prey for berries at night. He eats small rodents like bunnies. His ears are pointed like a dog. However, this is his weakest sense, and he does not rely on it as much as he does his sight and smell. His lean, muscular body and size is similar to the big cat family, which explains his paws that allow him to walk on the snow.
He has thick black fur to keep warm in his cold climate habitat. His black color lets him camouflage with the night. He uses his claws to defend himself and to dig. He lives in a small family herd, and moms take care of the youngs for 3 years before sending them out on their own to find their own mate and make their own family herd. These herds make burrows like dens by digging them out. He makes an odd noise which sounds like an old man groaning, unusual sound that often scares off other animals. Makoa?
The biggest danger in Loanuz is the predators like bears or other large carnivores that would find him to be a tasty meal. Could our new species survive in your area?